DIY indoor mini garden with recycled materials. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing how to create a DIY mini garden with recycled materials. Tired of looking at concrete? Bring the beauty of nature indoors with a mini garden made from recycled materials. It's easier than you think, eco-friendly, and perfect for urban dwellers. Let's get started. First, let's gather our materials. The best part? Most of them are probably already in your home. We're focusing on repurposing items to minimize waste and maximize creativity. You'll need a container. Think old plastic tubs, glass jars, tin cans, or even a discarded drawer. Clean it thoroughly before using. Next, collect some soil. You can buy potting mix or create your own blend using compost, peat moss, and perlite. Don't forget drainage materials like pebbles or broken pottery shards. Finally, choose your plants. Herbs, succulents, and small leafy greens are excellent choices for indoor mini gardens. Consider the amount of sunlight your space receives when selecting plants. Now let's prepare our container for planting. This step is crucial for ensuring proper drainage and healthy plant growth. Start by adding a layer of drainage material to the bottom of your container. This prevents water from pooling and damaging the roots. Next, add your potting mix. Fill the container almost to the top, leaving about an inch of space. Gently pat down the soil to create a firm base. If your container doesn't have drainage holes, be extra careful not to overwater. Consider adding a layer of activated charcoal to help absorb excess moisture. Time for the fun part, planting. Arrange your plants in the container, considering their size and growth habits. Gently remove each plant from its original container and loosen the roots. This encourages them to spread and establish themselves in their new home. Dig small holes in the soil and carefully place each plant. Fill in the holes with potting mix and gently press down around the base of each plant. Water your mini garden thoroughly after planting. Make sure the water drains properly. Maintaining your mini garden is simple. With a little attention, you can enjoy fresh greenery all year round. Water your plants regularly, but avoid overwatering. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Provide adequate sunlight. Most indoor plants need at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight per day. Consider using a grow light if your space is lacking natural light. Fertilize your plants every few weeks with a diluted liquid fertilizer. This will provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. Make your mini garden unique by adding personal touches. This is where your creativity can really shine. Add decorative stones, shells, or small figurines to create a miniature landscape. Use recycled materials like bottle caps or broken tiles to add pops of color. Create small pathways using pebbles or sand. This adds visual interest and makes your mini garden even more charming. Label your plants with handmade tags. This is a great way to learn about different plant species and add a personal touch. Creating a DIY indoor mini garden with recycled materials is a rewarding and eco-friendly project. It's a fantastic way to bring nature into your home, reduce waste, and enjoy fresh greenery all year round. Ready to start your own mini garden? Gather your recycled materials, choose your favorite plants, and get creative! Share your creations with us on social media using #DieMiniGarden and inspire others to embrace sustainable living. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly DIY projects and gardening tips. Let's grow together!